Okay, so I'm calling this a strategy to unlocking unlimited sales. Okay, now when I mean strategy to unlocking unlimited sales, I'm going to teach you everything like you're a total beginner. I'm going to teach you that. I'm just going to teach you everything from scratch. So if you follow me, because I don't know who's going to have this, okay? Learning from Jim Rohn, I realized that one thing. Jim Rohn said that if you can't teach what you know to a 4-year-old, it means that it's possible that you don't really understand. So this is a very simple process. I'm explaining to you the whole framework of how I do this. So let's get started. So the very simple thing, the very first thing that I want to show you, okay, so you don't miss it. The very first thing that I want to show you is that this. In your typical business, okay, in your typical business, all right, look at this. In your typical business, all right, there are two things that are involved. Number one is what? Client acquisition. Number two is sales. That means the frequency at which you're onboarding customers and the frequency at which you're closing them is everything that is important in business. That's how cash flow works. Bringing in quality clientele first, and then ability for you to close them with ease is everything. With ease, my friend, is everything. So you're bringing them and then you're closing them. That's everything. What's involved in client acquisition? Okay. Number one is that you're leveraging traffic sources and social. So you're going to pay-per-click advertising, you're going to blogs, you're leveraging every visibility sources that you know, every visibility platform that you know, and then you're also leveraging social in context, because I think that is Web 2.0 where people are really understanding it in our generation. But I was saying that you're leveraging traffic sources. So the reason why I'm specializing in social, because it is a community and has a language of its own, irrespective of other things and avenues that you might be leveraging on. So whatever you're trying to do, you're going in there to leverage those opportunities and announce the value and the services that you're offering, and you're bringing them on board.